Hello everyone, this is Victor with you here on the forexboat.com, and today we will be looking at the buying opportunity of the EURGBP. I'm actually going to initiate the trade since the price is good enough. So it's a buy trade. Okay, we have a buy trade, and now I will go through all the details. Basically, what we have on multiple time frames is the price above the 200 moving average. This is the key information for me in order to understand the direction of the trend. You can see the rejection here of the moving average, price had used higher high, and then we had a break above the downtrend trend line after actual rejection of the 200 exponential moving average. Now on the weekly chart, we can see here is the formation of the support, which was rejected here, after which price did break above the 200 moving average, and this was a signal for me to buy already because we had a weekly close above, which is very good. Now moving on to daily chart. On the daily chart, we had this breakout of the downtrend trend line right there. Price did attempt to break it here, but you can see it produced double top. Overall, we had a breakout right there. So this daily close actually was a signal because it broke above the 200 moving average, you can see, and then I just waited for this correctional move in order to find the best entry. Now we will look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, here what is interesting is the Fibonacci. I applied it to this wave after the breakout of this resistance, and you can see that today we had rejected 61.8. Moving on to 1-hour chart. On 1-hour chart, it's more clear. We rejected it. Actually, 30 minutes chart is better. Now, here was a rejection, and also the 200 exponential moving average is being rejected on the way up. And here is an uptrend trend line, also a bounce. And you can see that it bounced off the 200 EMA. There was a spikes, and price failed to break below with confidence, break and close, because that spike has produced, but never price did close below that. Another very good example. Now on the 15-minute chart, I was actually looking for something like that, for some sort of correction, and you can see here was a good correctional move. My initial trade would have been on this price at 200 moving average on the 5-minute chart, and we waited for this correction basically, and that's our trade. It's a buy trade setup. Now for the take profit and stop loss, for take profit, I'm using the area of the trend line that I used to point the trend line. That this is the second point. And what it actually also says is that this is the key resistance, which is actually 0.9 psychological support. Very strong resistance indeed. So I'm placing my take profit just below that, approximately at 0.8994. Let's adjust the trade. $84, and stop loss is this red line, 86.13. I will explain now. Okay, stop loss here. Why I place stop loss? Because this is the key level. We had this spike below, and if price goes even lower, we're out. I am actually looking to get out if we close below the 61.8. This could be an exit signal as well, but the critical level remains at 86.13, below this low. And what is important also is that our risk reward is 2-to-1, which is good. You can see our potential profit is 278 pips, and our stop loss is 90 pips. So it's very good risk reward ratio. And what you can do is look for correctional moves down in order to get into that buying opportunity, because price might still consolidate for the time being, probably a day, maybe more, because this is a long-term trade, and you could see these pullbacks towards 61.8 once again. And even at this price is good to go long, I think. So we are looking at the corrections, and you could enter if the price corrects down or anywhere near this price area at 0.87. I will continue with this trade idea. We'll update you with the next video what has happened, and we will go through the next trade. But for now, this is our opportunity for the week. This trade can last a week or more, and we will get back to you once there is some news. Another thing is, if you like the videos, don't forget to put the like and subscribe to our channel as well. Till next time, and have a profitable trading.